Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MEKNEX and today I'm going to be graduating. I'm going to be writing my final exams, and because of that I'm going to be doing this vlog. So right now I'm trying to read as much as possible to avoid me being a graduate embarrassing myself inside the exam hall. So that's just the reason why I'm reading, and honestly I'm tired. So the next thing I'm going to do is I just finished having my bath now, and I'm going to do a little bit of makeup just so I look presentable today. So this is like I think 5:30 to 6, and when I'm done doing this makeup I'm just going to get dressed, maybe do a little revision before going out today. Today is going to be a very interesting day in my life because for the past 4 years I've combined schooling, being a wife, being a mom, traveling. I've combined business. I've combined a lot of things together, and you all know that schooling is not easy. It's not easy. So today I'm going to drop this part of my life and focus on other aspects of my life that matters. Just maybe when I'm ready again I can decide to apply for my master's, but right now I'm stressed, I'm tired. I just want to get done with school, and that's the reason why I'm trying my best to see that I do my best. So I'm just doing a little bit of makeup, just a little. And the eyeshadow I'm using, I got it a long time ago. I can't remember where, but I got it. So you can go there and get yours. There have been a lot of times in this school when I had to cry, a lot of times that I had to attend tutorials, even though it was inconvenient for me. There were times when I had to study at midnight, even when I felt sleepy. Times when I had to travel without my son, leaving my family alone. And today, I'm so happy that it's going to be over. And I can't just wait for it to be over already. Oh God, thank you so much for these amazing moments. And in a jiffy, it was over. And here we are, signing out. Guys, like I'm so excited. I don't know for anybody, but for me, this is a very exciting moment for me. I don't think anything excites me more than this. After the joy, I had to go and get my binded project work and submit it. So here is my binded project work, and I'm so excited that I could finish today. And here I'm going to submit to my supervisor. Though when I went to her initially, she asked me to go back and get a soft copy for plagiarism test. So I did exactly that, and she collected my work when I brought it back. Finally done! I'm kind of out of this school, so I'm leaving. This is like the school gates behind me. I'm getting out of this school. Like, I'm so happy, very, very much happy. I just want to go to the gate and take some pictures with friends and done.